They tell you I don't have enough credit, right?
Ash. Look at this girl. She's trying to get Teslas ordered in her fucking name. Scumbag. Fuck. Yo, what's up, YouTube? Making some motherfucking tacos. If you didn't know, me and Janna about to drink a whole bottle of wine and smoke a gram of fucking hash rosin in this video. We got to build a couple chairs from IKEA. Been a long, crazy day. Maybe we'll discuss it. Maybe we'll just get shit-faced drunk in this video. Let's eat tacos. Let's drink a bottle of wine. If you like the video, do whatever you want. Like the video if you want me to smoke my hash rosin this month. Me too, though. Electric stoves suck. What the fuck is this? Bullshit. If you don't subscribe to this channel, I might not be able to afford another glass of wine. Hit that button.
Your cup's in the sauna.
Do you leave your cups in the sauna? I have a tip for you. Don't do it. All right, another piece of the puzzle. Ooh, the cable covers. Let's go. Ooh, and the GoPro mount. Sick. $1. Wall cable covers. And then GoPro mount. We're gonna mount the GoPro like right up there, somewhere there. And then I gotta cover, you see that cable hanging down? Right there, that one. Cover that one. And then I'm gonna cover that cable. Cover the cables, make it look nice. I've had no internet for a few days, a week almost now. Help. I need internet. All right, almost a full glass of wine. Can we install this? We got the cable covers in, check it out. Much better, right? Than just the cable there, same here, check it out. Much cleaner. Let's see if we can install this one.
Scalpel. I got another one of these things when I was at Target. Spinny storage things.
Nice.
So
Ladies and Susan.
Yeah, so if you need any of like your Sinex or this is basically like pharmacy stuff. So like Tylenol.
These drugs.
This Band-Aid box is a fucking nightmare.
Welcome to the stream room.
That was stupid. Let me set his cup down because I'm about to pour drops of his on it. Cheers. Let's go deliver the wine. This is so much fun. Ah!
Oh God. Oh God.
Holy shit. Ah!
I'm just tall enough where I can reach my arms.
That's sketchy. Sketchy
If
ass.
I was on tippy toes.
Luma papaya.
We didn't make any furniture. We drank all the wine, smoked all the weed. Now we're watching Mav. Subscribe if you want to. Maddie. I'm not drunk. You're drunk.